Yes, greetings. My name is John Kyamanywa. I'm an educator, a researcher, and a language activist from Uganda. I belong to the Vanuma um, speakers minority community from Bundibugyo, Western Uganda. Our district borders Congo. So I work and live in Western Uganda, teaching history and religious education. Besides teaching, I also do language revitalization and documentation, as well as um, activism in terms of the language being promoted in the community. So this digital story is an explanation of a feeling that I got from the project that I started in 2022, which was focusing on documenting oral histories and other cultural practices of the Bavaluma of Bondebujo. So this digital story that you're about to watch um, has more of the feeling. And being a Banuma speaker, I feel a digital archiving and sharing of such stories will be a good start um, for this kind of project to attract researchers who may be having more of experience that is related to linguistics. So I welcome comments from you as we watch this video. And please, our project is still open for any addition, and I'll be happy if you give your positive comments on this. Thank you. I remain John Kyamanywa from Uganda.